Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last video playlist, we built an amazing application called Listen Not, where we learned how to host our own high-performing large language models and consume that in our own client-facing application. I'm back with one more exciting application where we will learn a lot, then combine to all the playlists that we have built till now. Here we are going to combine image search, video search, web search and LLM search, okay, all together in a one place. That's the application that we will be building. You guys might have heard about Perplexity. So similar kind of application that we will be building in this playlist. I'm going to walk you through what really goes into build this kind of application and what it takes to achieve the product that we are going to see in a while. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of how this application is going to look like, and we are going to build this from scratch, right from building a backend, right from building UI components and combining them, and how do we really showcase streaming of the text that we see in normal chat based application using WebSockets, and how to Dockerize our whole application so that easily we can ship and build and deploy. So let me show you the view of how this application is going to look like. So this is what I was talking about. So this is the application that we will be building. So this is the homepage of our new application. So let's just straight away go about asking a simple question. So you all know that I inspire from Sundar Pichai. So let's just ask a few questions about Sundar Pichai. So this is the text that we receive. So you can see here we receive the text, and also we can search for the images of this question. So these are the images that we get. We get multiple images, and there is a beautiful image view that we can see. You can see here image previews for the results that we asked. So this is going to be very exciting application. At the same time, we can search for videos as well. So if you see here, these are the videos links that we got for the question that we asked. And even if you want to rewrite the response that we got for the question, we can do that. You see the streaming of the response. How can we achieve that? We are going to learn that in this playlist. At the same time, the sources from where we refer the information that we got from this, we are going to learn how do we achieve that. And if we have the more sources, this is how we are going to list down and show it. There is again the follow-up questions that we suggest, and we can click on that to search more about that information. So this is the application that we will be building, and we are going to provide a complete support to all the providers. Our own Llama model, OpenAI model and other providers that we want to use as part of this application. So coming down to the technology that we will be using, we will build the UI that you're seeing using NextJS framework, and backend we will be writing the services using Express framework. At the same time, we will Dockerize this whole application and see how we can deploy, at the same time run whole application via Dockerize Docker compose file. Okay, so this is the application that I wanted to talk about. So it might seem simple as a single screen on the interface, but really goes a lot while we are trying to build this kind of application. We need to put in a lot of efforts to understand how do we achieve this kind of application and what it takes to build this kind of application. So we are going to learn what are the agents and how it helps us to build this application, where it helps us to search for images, search for videos, search for sources, and the answer that we get from our large language model providers. So this is going to be a lot of learning for all of us, and we are going to become very better at building these kind of products. Hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned. You will receive a lot of exciting videos about this. Thank you so much.